Namaskaram. Welcome to Back to the Roots. There is a video explaining Gajendra Moksham uploaded. Veena explains the story of Gajendra Moksham and she has come out with the values, what we learn from this story. You would have been now familiar with the story. In that story, you find crocodile and elephant are getting moksha. So they are relieved from their animal forms. You know, because of curse, the king got the birth of elephant. And because of the curse, a person known as Kuhu, he turned to be crocodile. So these two animals got moksha with the help of God, because when the elephant was caught in the mouth of crocodile, you find elephant gave a huge cry, calling Adimula. So God immediately appeared here, because whenever a bhakta calls Perumal, he will come to our rescue immediately. He will help us immediately. He is waiting for our call. So here when this elephant, when the Gajendran called him, he came by Garuda Vagana. So here they got the moksha. Both the animals got the moksha, and they were so fortunate to have a darshan of Perumal in the form of Gajendra Varadan. So that is a very important feature of or aspect of this place. These places are known to us through pasurams and through the text materials. So the places which are all associated with Ramayana, Mahabharata and other Puranas are still seen in India. We are so fortunate to be in India, and so more fortunate to visit these places, because these places are still found in India. We have to go in search of these places. So that lies within us. In olden days, the Alvars, they used to go in search of places where the avatarams took place, where God appeared in different forms. So they went in search of those places by crossing mountains, by rivers, by all tough terrains. So they took so much of difficulty, but they never felt it as difficult, because they were all in the thoughts of only God. So they longed to have darshan of God in different forms, because all these avatarams took in different periods. So Alvars wanted to have darshan of Perumal in different forms of different avatarams. Such places are known as Divya Desams today. We should also have that kind of thirst, that kind of search. Today we have all the facilities. So having those facilities, let's make our life, this birth, fruitful. We have taken this human form, which is very, very precious. So let's think of God, let's hear of God, and let's visit these places. These places are so holy for us. So this place is associated, this Kapisthalam is associated with Gajendra Moksham. Then one more feature here, one more important interesting event. Hanuman came here and had a darshan of Gajendra Vardhan. Hanuman was longing, he was praying to God to have darshan in the form of Gajendra Vardhan. So he got darshan here. So this place is Kapisthalam. Kappi means monkey in Sanskrit. Because Hanuman had the darshan here, this place is known as Kapisthalam. That's what given in the books. This is one aspect of it. The other one is, this place is one of 5 Krishna Kshetras, Pancha Krishna Kshetram. One of the Alvars, Tirumai Alvar, visited this place. He also came here in search of this god, Gajendra Vardhan. So he came here, and here he saw this god as Krishna, in the form of Krishna. Here the main deity is in the form of Bhujanga Sayana. He reclines on Adiseshan, and it will be like he is waiting for bhaktas and looking at bhaktas. Such a wonderful, what shall I say, it should be fortunate to see his eyes. He is looking at you, looking at bhaktas. So here Tirumai Alvar is thinking that he is Lord Krishna. So because he refers him as Aatrankarai Kidakkum Kannan, Krishna who is waiting or sitting or lying along or playing along the riverside. So he sang a pasuram here. Kutramun Sara, Koduvinayum Sara, Ti Matramum Sara Vagayarindhen, Aatrankarai Kidakkum Kannan, Kadal Kidakkum, Mayan, Urai Kidakkum, Ullattu Yanakku. So the meaning is, he is looking at the god who is reclining. The main deity here is in the form of reclining state. That is Ranganathan. Ranganathan, where does he lie? In the ocean. So he is saying, you are in the ocean, you are ruling the ocean, and you are along the riverside as Krishna. And you are in my heart. You are only, my heart is filled with you. So I will not be afraid of death. Death will not do anything to me. And all bad karma will not have any bad effect on me, because you are in my heart. So this is what the meaning of Pasurams. So here in this Pasuram is referring, Tirumai Alvar is referring this god as Krishna. So it is one of Pancha Krishna Kshetrams. So these are the special features of this place. So let's make use of our stay on the earth as a human being and learn about Sanatana Dharmam and the God's avatarams and the happenings, and let's make a visit to all these holy places. So let's learn more and travel together to learn more and more. If you like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.